These 3 jars, we're going to put some water in. Water is the single biggest problem that we see with diesel fuels today. Diesel fuel is hygroscopic, meaning it will pick up and hold dissolved water. It will hold a fairly large amount. A number 2 ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel will hold 1/10 of 1% of its volume as dissolved water. What we're going to do here is we're going to show some competitive products and how they react with water. Most of the products that are on the market today for diesel fuel are based on a chemical called naphtha. And naphtha is refined from crude oil. It's the first stage of making gasoline, and it's also used as the primary component for many additives. This particular additive here, you can see that there is no mixture between the fuel additive and the water. They want to stay separate like oil and water. If you agitate them, even for a brief period of time, you end up with what we call an emulsion. An emulsion is a temporary mixture. What has actually happened here is the naphtha has encapsulated the water. And so you've got a million little bubbles of naphtha, and in the center of each one is a droplet of water. This particular product uses a light naphtha, and it will start to break apart fairly rapidly. This product uses a heavier weight naphtha. And again, you get the same type of material, you get the same emulsion. Our product, the TerraDiesel fuel product, actually causes a chemical reaction between the water and the additive. And this product will actually totally disperse water. So we mix this 50-50 with water, and with just a tiny bit of agitation, we have a chemical reaction that's taken place. And the way that we demonstrate this to people we used a product called water finding paste. This is a commercially available product, and it's generally used for people with fuel storage tanks in order to show when there is water present. The first product, with the light naphtha, if you go down into it and you see that the water level is still very present in there, and you get that very red material. If we go into the second one here, you have to actually push this against the sides of the glass a little to break the water bubbles apart, but the water is still very present in there, and you still get that same dark red color to it. With the TerraDiesel product, you put that in, you can push it against the sides like I did the other. There's no change at all. We have chemically eliminated that water. And this is a permanent chemical change. This will not break down or separate or layer out over time.